Hello, I'm James and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, providing you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The local market is expected to finish on a muted note for the week, tracking a decline in most global equity markets as the Russia-Ukraine crisis lingers and oil prices fall from decade highs on revived supply hopes. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open 44 points or 0.6% lower today. The benchmark rose 0.5% on Thursday. The ASX performance on Thursday was indeed a positive one. Aussie stocks rose for the fifth straight day, fueled by a commodity boom as Eastern European tensions continued to trigger some worries with investors. The best performing sector was materials, up 2.6%, and the worst performing sector was consumer staples, down 2.3%. The best performing stock in the S&P ASX 200 was PointsBet Holdings, closing 18.2% higher at $4.35 a share. It was followed by shares in Whitehaven Coal and also Liontown Resources. As for the worst performing stock in the S&P ASX 200, that was PolyNovo, closing 6.4% lower at $1.10 per share. It was followed by shares in Platinum Asset Management and also InvoCare. As for US markets, their stocks fell overnight. All major indices were in fact in the red. The Dow Jones fell 0.29%, the S&P 500 was down 0.53%, and the Nasdaq saw the biggest loss, dropping by 1.56%. In Europe, the Russia-Ukraine crisis has had a severe impact on markets. London's FTSE 100 dropped a huge 2.57%, the German DAX dropped 2.16%, and the Stoxx 600 fell by 2.01%. Asian markets fared a little bit better. Japan's Nikkei rose by 0.7%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng jumped 0.55%, and China's Shanghai Composite suffered minute losses, dipping by 0.09%. Time now for a very quick break before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, commodities, oil, and the world of crypto. Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on the Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV. Welcome back to the Morning Outlook, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar has seen an upward surge throughout the week and is currently holding firm above the 73 US cent mark. Oil prices rose to nearly $120 per barrel before falling on expectations that the US and Iran would agree soon to a nuclear deal that could add output to a badly undersupplied market. WTI settled down by $2.93 to finish the day at $107.67 a barrel US, while Brent crude fell by $2.47 to settle at $110.46 a barrel. The Russia-Ukraine crisis has bolstered the appeal of gold. US gold futures settled at 0.7% higher to trade at $1,935.90 an ounce. And lastly, the past 24 hours have been tough once again for crypto investors. Despite strong gains earlier in the week, the top two market cap cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have struggled. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin dropped 4% to settle just above 42,500 US a piece, whilst Ethereum dipped more than 4.4% to sit just above $2,800 per token. Well, that's all for the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston reporting for Kalkine.